First, we install the rubber ring.
The rubber ring must be installed properly in place. It should be flush with the pipe end. Next, proceed with the connection between the pipe and the base. Before connecting, we need to apply dish soap to the outside of the rubber ring for lubrication. The inner wall of the pipe socket also needs to be coated with dish soap for lubrication. Next, perform the socket connection between the pipe and the base. The connection between the pipe and the base is in place with no gaps.